Hi all, this is Bhuvneshwari here from Verizon. Before I step into my topic, I want to make a note. The views expressed in this white paper are solely personal and do not reflect the opinions or views of Verizon India or its group companies. So, I have chosen the track Technology Driving Social Impact, and my topic is Krishi Raj with technology, meaning farmers rule with technology. India is the second largest producer of several agriculture products, and with 130 crores of population, India has a huge market for these products. We also export a lot, yet the life of the farmers is mostly uncertain and unstable. A survey with around 80 farmers shows that the reason for this are water supply, labor and price fluctuation. So, I am focusing more on price fluctuation in my paper. The top three reasons for price fluctuation are change in demand, more cultivation of same crop and marketing agents. So, I am trying to propose a solution that addresses all these three problems. So, I am trying to build an app called Krishi Raj that would help the farmers to identify the best crops they could grow and also find the nearest market that offers them the best price and translate all this information in their native language for the farmers to easily understand. So, in my solution I have three data points: crop, demand and supply. So, in terms of crop, we will have IoT sensors installed on the farmer's land that will sense the soil's fertility, understand the water level there, do a weather forecast and send this information to the app. In the app, we do a pattern analysis to find which are the best crops that could be grown here. In terms of demand, the Agriculture Export Development Authority has the information of the historical sales that were done in the previous years, and the leading marketing agents and the Krishi Raj app will also have this history information. So, we use this historical sales information, apply data science on them to do a predictive analysis of what the forecast would be to forecast what the demand would be once these crops are cultivated. In terms of supply, the village administrative officer has a record book of what each farmer is growing in their village, and eventually the Krishi Raj app will also have this information. So, we use this crop, demand and supply information and build a AI algorithm that provides a recommendation for the farmers what all crops they could grow, what would be the risk percentage involved and what would be the yield per hectare, and also help them with the marketing app that helps them to find the nearest market that offers them the best price. With this solution, the demand versus supply balance would be maintained, farmers get a stabilized income and we also get a good market and export. Thank you.